Hey guys, we have 3 times 4 squared plus 6 divided by 3. Okay, 3 times 4 squared equals 4 times 4 equals 16, right? 16 plus 6 divided by 3. Now 3 times 16 equals 48 plus 6 divided by 3. Now 48 plus 6 equals 54 divided by 3, and 54 divided by 3 equals 18. This gives us 18, but this is wrong. Why it is wrong? Exponents come before multiplication. We must do 4 squared first, right? Solve again. 3 times 4 squared, 4 times 4 equals 16 plus 6 divided by 3, right? Now multiply first. Multiplication and division from left to right, then addition, subtraction. 3 times 16 equals 48, right? Plus 6 divided by 3. Now division first. 48 plus 6 divided by 3 equals 2, and 48 plus 2 equals 50.